right, everybody, here we go on the Aquaduck here on the Disney Dream. This is absolutely the best way to get a view of the ship. Oh my God! Whee! Oh, I love it. You can see the pool deck out there, and now up we go. Woo! Oh, oh man! And now you just have this amazing view of the ship. We love Disney cruises. Highly recommend Disney Cruise Lines over any other cruise lines, especially if you want some amazing family fun. Whoa! Whee!
Are you ready?
Ready.
Hold tight.
Here we go. Disney Dream Aquaduck. Green light means go. Woo! Oh, here we go. So nice. Oh, the clear tube is a little scary. Oh no, here we go. First drop. Woo! Woo! Okay, a little chilly. You good? Another drop. Woo! Woo! Oh, now the white. Whoa. Now it's like a relaxing tour of the pool deck. All around us. Whee! Like little rapids. Woo! Castaway! Woo! Alright, slide finale. Here we go.
How was that?
That was awesome!
All right, here we go. If you thought Aquaduck during the day was fun, check it out at night. Ready? Whee! Oh man, here we go. Ready? Oh! Woo! It's like Space Mountain Aquaduck. And then here's that awesome part where you just get to look at the ship and get a nice tour of the Disney cruise. Whee! Hello, Mickey logo. And we're done. All right. Here we go again, Aquaduck at night. It's like a Space Mountain water slide. Here we go. Whee! Oh, I love this tube. The colors are awesome. Wow! Woo! Space Mountain Aquaduck. Whee! Here we go. Nighttime ship tour on the Disney Cruise Lines. Hello, cruise ship. Hello, Space Mountain Aquaduck. You guys are both awesome. And we're gonna come in for a landing around this corner. Woo! Love this ride.